I am Ajmal Ramyar, the Executive Director of Afghans for Progressive Thinking Organization. Afghans for Progressive Thinking Organization is the largest youth-led organization that works to promote youth leadership, education, and culture of peace in Afghanistan. Since its inception in 2010, APT activities have impacted and inspired over 40,000 youth and children to build a vision for a just and inclusive society and work as a peace builder, realizing this vision and contributing to positive changes in the community. APT is working on SDGs, particularly SDG 16, Peace, Justice and Strong Institution through Debate Program, Leadership Development Program, Mehrabanan School in Mazar Sharif, which is established for internally displaced children, and the annual Afghan Youth Representative to the United Nations. Since 2018, APT selected the first, second and third Afghan Youth Representative who spoke at the United Nations Security Council about the role of youth in peace and security and shared their concern and challenges to the world leaders.
Currently, APT runs 35 debate clubs in 35 public and private universities in Afghanistan. Through these debate clubs, we help youth to become critical thinkers and challenge the extremist beliefs around them. When Afghanistan was locked down in the early 2020 because of the novel coronavirus, we did not stop, but continued our activities online. We organized online debate training, practice sessions, and competitive debate rounds among students from various universities. And I can say that for us at APT, lockdown was more like an opportunity than a limitation.
For the sole purpose of advocating for peace and security and shaping a network of elites, Afghans for Progressive Thinking Organization organized the first ever Youth Jirga in 2018, hosting representatives from 34 provinces of Afghanistan. This helped the deprived portion of the community to share their comments, wants, and needs through briefing a policy.
In our leadership development programs at APT, we help Afghan youth develop their leadership skills and become effective influencers in Afghan community, because we believe in the potential and capacity of Afghan youth as change makers and tomorrow's leaders. And it is now on Afghan youth to work for peace and sustainable development in Afghanistan. In 2019, when the pandemic started and people had to maintain the social distance and Afghanistan was locked down, we conducted our sessions virtually, and we use this as an opportunity to increase the number of participants in our leadership development programs. Previously, we could only recruit 20 students, but in the lockdown, we recruited 30 students for the leadership development programs who completed 30 sessions with national and international instructors.
In this critical situation in which we are living now, peace is our first priority. And students know its value more than anyone else does. Because in this bloody war, we are losing our schools, fellow students, and our professors. I still remember the time in harsh moments. The gunmen attacked Kabul University and killed 22 students and professors, including my close friends, Rahid, Suhaila, and Hidayat, who were a member of Kabul University Debate Club. They believe in peace and work tirelessly for a peaceful Afghanistan. We do not give up and continue our efforts for promoting culture of peace and justice by working with students at Kabul University's Debate Club, established by Afghans for Progressive Thinking.
My name is Shaista Rahmani. I'm originally from Herat, a western province, and now I'm studying at Kabul University. I have been actively participating in APT programs since 2019. APT programs have assisted me develop my leadership and communication skills and stand for my rights in a conservative Afghan society.